Okay, I'm reloaded. Big Cappuccino here. This is show and tell number 140. I hope that's right. If not, we won't have to readjust that. But yeah, I was at yeah, show and tell 140. Uh, I was at uh a shopping center today. Was able to pick up a few things. It's been a while since I've been on the pegs. I think it's only been like a week. I don't think it's been 2 weeks. It's probably been close to that. It's been a while. It's been probably no full over full whole full 7 days. So I didn't go last Monday. And we have a '95 Nissan hard body, which I found. These are going to be cars. The Matchbox I found from Dollar Tree, which is a shopping center there. It has a Dollar Tree. It has a Hobby Lobby. It has Five Below, but I didn't go there because by that time I was pretty much. I thought I had got enough. I was at my budget limit, and they used to have. I think they got rid of that GameStop, and they never really had diecast anyway. They didn't keep up with their diecast inventory. So we got this Nissan hard body, which a lot of people are going crazy over 95. It doesn't have any tail lights. It has a hitch though. That's a cool thing. And this is a cool foundation for a custom. You could do some things with this. We'll swap it too. Drop it. You know, y'all custom us can do it. This is a Nissan series. This is pretty cool for what it is from Mainline. We got a Mazda 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata from the Mazda series. Has headlights, indicators too. That look like an indicator. That looks very well, not RX-7 ish or RX-8 ish. Well, maybe. I don't know. It looks. Yeah, still that from Nissan. This is pretty cool, even though it doesn't have tail lights. I wonder, is this a real Asada design? I gotta do research. I dropped one. Excuse me, folks. Hopefully that angle wasn't too jarring. But we got a Skidster, which is a fantasy casting. But I like to collect these because they remind me of basically what it is this vehicle that's using commercial construction and landscaping, what have you. A lot of industrial stuff. It's called a Bobcat, and that's basically what this is. It's called a Skidster here. I guess they couldn't get the licensing for that. But it's pretty cool, man. I got a couple of these. Why? I don't know, because it just takes up room. I don't have a diorama. That's what I'm hoping to use that stuff for. But next, we got a 1949 Curtis sports car. And this is something you've seen on a lot of people's channel recently. I like the interior combination. They did that right. Even though they always had that chunky, ugly steering wheel Mainline. They got headlights though. The bumper is cool. Look like you could do some damage to somebody, man. But I have a feeling, real life, this car is probably a lot smaller than an average car. Nice color combination. No tail lights, I don't think. That's pretty cool. Pretty unique. Next, we got a 2019 Audi TT RS Coupe from the Audi series. We got headlights. We got tail lights. Wheels, could it fits, but it could have did something better. Yeah, you got side mirrors too. Interior looks okay. The steering wheels, boy. I get it. It's a Mainline, so. Next, we got a 2016 Ford Interceptor utility. I hope I don't have this one. I think I got one in black. This has the New York NYPD logo. Livery on it. Why couldn't they do the light bar like right up there though? But I guess money, trying to be cheap. That's from the Ford series. We got a 1996 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. A lot of people going crazy about this car. 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. And in JDM market, this would be the GTO, but they couldn't use that name because GM still owned it. So, and this was also because they were a subsidiary of Chrysler at the time. Chrysler had bought them, I think, in the 80s. Towards the late 80s, I definitely know they were working together. But they were probably working some kind of relationship before that. But definitely by the late 80s, they were definitely were a subsidiary, especially by this time. Because they had Dodge and Plymouth versions of a lot of Mitsubishis. But basically entry level cars. But this was the twin to this was the Dodge Stealth. They were trying to go for the import market. Import sports tuner, sports car market. And this is pretty cool. It's got headlights and taillights. I can't wait to compare this to the Dodge Stealth I got. Even though I think Dodge Stealth I got is an earlier, it's a later model. I think it's like a 99. I don't think it's this model. It might be though. It might be. We'll see. So that was Dollar Tree. I went to Hobby Lobby, better known as Rob Me Lobby, which I did is I kind of regret going some purchases there, but I mean sometimes with Hobby Lobby they be having the castings as far as Johnny Lightning and Greenlight. At one time, that was the only place to find them, and they're always there. At Target and Walmart, you pretty much just like flipping a coin because they might have Johnny Lightning and Greenlight. It the last 3 months, I haven't seen any Greenlight at Target. Definitely not at Walmart. So I don't know what's going on with Greenlight, the distribution. Sometimes it's up to management. Management does not order it on time or order it right, it won't come. So it's not always the what we're going through now with the shipping containers. Because I was having that problem way before the pandemic happened. Like I said, I live in the Diecast desert. I went to Hobby Lobby, and they reduced the space even more than they did before. It's like Now, I started off with probably like 10 rows of diecast, 10 rows of pegs of diecast, but that whole section was diecast, even down to the bottom of the shelves. But now it's been reduced. It was reduced to like six. Then it was now I think it's close to being reduced to at least four to five rows. Might be closer to four because the space looked very congested. It wasn't that much there, but it was sad, man. It's like so. It's a 1988 Dodge Diplomat. Had an uncle who had one of these. Not a police car, but civilian type. His was like burgundy. If I'm correct. I think so. Oh, dark red. California Highway Patrol livery on this. And this looks so right. The light bar even looks right. I love Hot Pursuit. When it comes to police cars, I think Greenlight probably gets it right. Close to, if not 100%, close to 90% of the time. Or at least 80. And this is the section, even though it's 2021, you know how it is. Circulation stuff comes out late, especially in my area. I haven't seen any 2022 stuff as far as like Johnny Lightning or Greenlight yet. Or Auto World. Or close to it. Um, Arizona Department of Safety. I'll let y'all read this. You can see it. I'm not going to go through here. So you can focus and see what is available from this series. Most of it's West Coast. You got a Canada, Ontario. But would they really use a Chevy Caprice though? You thought they would use something like a Holden or a Ford Falcon or something. That Nissan Titan looks cool. I think I got a Nissan Titan here. Is this a Nissan Titan? I hate to take this off this thing. That is still attached. That's smooth. Yeah, this is a Nissan Titan. So it'll look like this. Somewhat. Newer model though. Hey, that thing is on there. That's a good hitch. Next is the this Johnny Lightning that I got from Hobby Lobby, Rodney. Which I wish I would have got the Greenlight that I was originally supposed to get. I'm not gonna say too much about it because hopefully I'll go back and still there. Because I paid more than I expected for this. I thought it was gonna be $9.99. It was 12 something. That's why I like to find my Greenlights and Johnny Lightnings at uh at Target or either Walmart. Cause you get hosed at Hot Rod Me Lobby. And now they got rid of that. I downloaded that app for no reason. You know, they made you think if you kept that app that you would always get that discount. They cut that out quick. But anyway, this is a one of 9,400 one of 9,454 And it's a 72 Pontiac Firebird Formula. It's in Springfield, Green Poly. 72 is my birth year. I got a birthday coming up, so that's one of the reasons why I picked this up. Plus, I don't think I have one of these in Johnny Lightning. I don't have an early Firebird like this. I know they don't always put the Phoenix up there, but it looks like the Phoenix. It's like something missing. The Phoenix looks so good up here, especially in black with the red and yellow and trim. This would kill it. That's a little Phoenix right there. Little Firebird, but oh well. Yeah. So this isn't a Trans Am. A Trans Am would have the Phoenix up there, so. And this been out, so I'm not gonna. I'll let you read what is available for Classic Gold 2021 Release 3. I haven't seen all of these on the pegs. I haven't seen that Pontiac Grand Am. I want to see that. I might pick it up. I got that Ford Mustang, something like it. I would like to get that 1950 Chevy 3100 pickup. I got a Dodge van. I don't think it's a tradesman though. I think a tradesman is like the vans that's like a what do you call it? Commercial van, panel van. And I think I got a Scout, but I don't think it's a Johnny Lightning. I think it's a Greenlight. And this is pretty cool. I don't remember this one. I don't know if I saw this. I swear if I would have seen the 96 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, I would have picked it up. Definitely didn't see the white one because I would have picked that one up. Got the Aspen in green. And I think I had this Super Hawk. Do I have this Golden Hawk in blue? It looks familiar. I know I have a Studebaker. I have a couple Studebakers. So that's pretty much it, man. That's it for show and tell number 140. Like I always say, not the best Diecast channel, but not the worst either. The motto here is show a little love for the Diecast. I hope you like, subscribe, hit the notification button if you're new to the channel. As always, I want to thank the subscribers for all your support. Until the next time, this is Big Dappuccino signing out. Peace and blessings.